Hey everyone, Miss Brooks here. I am introducing a new program that we're going to be using here at MMHS. It's called e-hallpass, and it's new to all of us, so I thought I would give you a little tour so you can become familiar with it. When you're on your Chromebooks and you go to Mashpee Central, up in the top left-hand corner of your screen, you'll see the link to e-hallpass. I don't have that on my device, but it will bring you to this page. This is one of those tools that you are not using the sign-in boxes and you are not using Clever down here at the bottom. So no boxes, no Clever. You're clicking in to Google, authenticating your account, and then it will jump into the system. It's a very easy interface. It's meant to be simple and quick, easy to use. You will see down here on the right hand corner that there are a bunch of accessibility adjustments that you can make. It's powered by Accessibee, so they've put in a ton of options. You probably won't need most of them because the site is so simple, but just know they're there in case that's something you need. And so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create a pass. So let's say I'm in Miss Brooks's room and I need to use the restroom. So I first need to say who I'm asking or whose room I'm in. So I'm going to do a search for Brooks. And there she is. And I'm going to head to the restroom that I know I'm supposed to use near this classroom, which is, I'm going to type in restroom for rest. And then I'm going to do the B wing second floor restroom. And you'll notice that some of the reasons that you have to request are optional and some of them are mandatory. This is optional, so I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. So what will happen is it will first check the system and make sure that there's enough availability at that restroom, as well as making sure there's enough available passes in the school. And then if there are, it will go to the dashboard of your teacher, who then can look at it and approve it. And you'll see your screen turn green. You're not bringing your screen with you to the restroom. That's gross. So you leave, you go do your thing, you make your way back to the classroom, make sure that your teacher sees you, and then at that point the teacher will end the pass and you are all set for that particular transaction. There's also passes that you can use that are called layover passes. So if I needed to go to, say, technology and have some support with a password, in this case, I'm leaving again for Mrs. Brooks's class, so I don't want to be typing in Brooks again. I'm actually going to add her as a favorite. It's one way to customize things. So Brooks, and I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to click submit. So now Ms. Brooks is here. I can add other favorite teachers or rooms that I'm in often, and you can edit them at any point if a new semester starts and you're in new classrooms. And in this case, I'm going to technology. I don't know if Mr. Maroney will be there or who's going to be there to help me. And I'm saying that I need password support. So now I'm going to hit submit. It's going to check the system. Oops. I meant to pick there we go, pick Ms. Brooks, there we go. It's going to check the system and make sure that there's enough passes available in the building. It's also going to check to make sure that that particular person is in their office. So let's say the days that technology is not in the building, then you would not be able to get a pass. It would tell you that destination is not available. So now your teacher gets the request. You might have already asked out loud. This might be a different routine in your classroom. Your teacher will guide you on that, but your teacher approves it or says later or whatever it is. In this case, we're approving it, and you leave the classroom and you make your way to technology. When you arrive, the person who's in technology will look in the system and see, oh, that this student has arrived. So now you'll see the pass has changed and it's added a new line. So we work on getting your password fixed. We're ready to send you on your way. So now I can click on returning and you are on your way back to the classroom. So your classroom teacher sees the progress of where you are, as well as it shows on your current pass. And then when you get back to the classroom, you let the teacher know you're back, and then the pass ends. And you can see all of the times in there, and then that's saved to your profile. What's nice is about this program also is that if we have an emergency in the building or a medical emergency where we need to stay in place and not get in the hallways, this is another way for us to be able to announce that, so passes wouldn't be available in that case. You also will see that we'll start to explore what an appointment pass is in the coming weeks. You are welcome to check out the new releases. That's for the software of the program. And then there is both document training that you can read or video training if you want to learn more. I'm sure your teachers can try and answer some questions, but also feel free to email me at any time, and hopefully we'll be able to figure this out together. Thank you.